How do you turn a hard, fibrous plant into pure sweetness? It isn't magic. It is an incredible journey of sweat, fire, and masterful craftsmanship. Today, we aren't going to a modern factory. We will follow the farmers, going deep into an artisanal workshop to witness the entire sugarcane process. From the first cut in the field to the final golden cake of sugar, this is a process you won't believe still exists. Every epic journey of sweetness kicks off with pure grit and hustle today. We're diving deep with hardcore farmers to uncover the mind-blowing handcrafted sugarcane to sugar saga, a sweat-soaked masterpiece demanding raw power, endless muscle, and a profound bond with this legendary land. Step 1: the epic harvest. These towering canes, after months soaking up Earth's magic and sky's fury, hit peak ripeness, bursting with liquid gold. Those blade swings crisp, ferocious, and razor close to the base. This pro technique maxes out sugar hull. The root zone is where the sweetness explodes in concentrated glory. Non-stop grind under blazing sun, their teamwork is a symphony. Slashers, leaf clearers forming a flawless human assembly line right in the fields. Chopped and trimmed, the canes pile up. Next up, bundling these beasts into powerhouse packs. No plastic ties or factory junk here. They twist and bind with dried sugarcane husks, shredded thin for eco-genius ropes. This zero-waste tradition is pure sustainability gold, cranking efficiency for hauling massive loads. Harvest hauled to the mill. Enter the beating heart, a roaring diesel beast engine. Mill vibes are insane. One side towering mountains of dried bagasse, the ultimate fool stash for boiling sugar later. Opposite, peeled cane stacks ready to roll. These golden-hued beauties get outer armor stripped for max juice extraction efficiency. Crushing time ignites. Workers perch perilously close, laser focus and caution cranked to 11. Feast your eyes on this beast. Massive metal rollers linked by gigantic gears, spinning wildly on engine torque. Hands feed fistfuls of cane into the jaws. Brutal pressure pulverizes stalks, unleashing a torrent of sweet nectar trapped inside. Spent bagasse gets ejected, carted off, and sun-dried, nothing wasted. This trash is premium fuel for the sugar boilers ahead. The crusher never sleeps, stalk by stalk. The pro feeds the frenzy. First victory, clouds of milky white pure cane juice gush through filter troughs into barrels. This is liquid gold, pristine raw magic, primed to morph into crave-worthy sugar crystals we all adore. From afar, a sky-piercing smoke plume. This is the soul of the operation, the boiling zone where raw juice becomes candy alchemy. Back at the crusher, the feeder stays relentless. Nearby, a teammate scoops exhausted bagasse, the hollowed-out husks left after every drop is wrung free. Zoom in, behold the raw power of meshing gears and steel rollers pulverizing cane to dust, squeezing out every last whisper of sweetness. Bagasse cart brimming to the top, off to its next life. Trash, hard, no, this is treasure. Welcome to the Fire Temple colossal cast iron cauldrons, hiss with steam over roaring infernos. Meet the firekeeper guardian of the flame. He feeds the beast non-stop. Fuel reveal. Dried bagasse. Only. The very waste from the crusher now fuels the fire that boils its own juice. Mind-blowing closed-loop genius. Energy cycle sealed tight. Zero external fuel. Steam clouds swallow the room in sweet. Sticky fog. Raw juice floods the cauldrons. Blasted at volcano heat, evaporating water. Concentrating pure sugar into golden nectar. Critical move foam skimming. As juice boils, scum and impurities rise. Constant scooping keeps the brew crystal clear. Non-stop scheming uguale a ultra pure syrup. Locking in that iconic amber glow. Rich flavor and silky texture we crave. Hours later, juice morphs into thick, caramel-hued syrup poured into giant rectangular trays for the cooling magic. Bagasse flames rage on, gifting endless heat to transmute humble cane juice into irresistible sweetness. Fresh batch bubbles wildly, while the previous one hits crunch time, full crystallization. Syrup cools lightning fast every hand, young and seasoned. Divas into non-stop action. Metal paddles scrape, flip, and fold, waking sugar crystals to bloom evenly into airy. Melt in your mouth perfection. Artisan hour. At peak pliability, hot, but not scalding. Soft, but not solid. He grabs fistfuls with bare hands, compressed and molded into rustic golden discs unrefined. Mineral-packed. Bursting with authentic molasses soul. Faces etched with laser focus and quiet pride, masters of sweetness. Pro-hack quick water dips. Prevent sticky burns. Letting lightning fast, shaping without a single wasted second. Zero loss. Every last scrape from the tray becomes a perfect final cake. Behold the bounty. Hundreds of glowing amber sugar cakes, Earth's gift. Forged by sweat, skill, and unbreakable hustle. As sunset bleeds across the sky, another grueling day ends, leaving behind pure sweetness for the world. From emerald fields to self-fueled flames to masterful hands, we've witnessed one of the most primal, poetic sugar quests on Earth. If this raw craft blew your mind, smash, share, spread the love for these unsung sugar wizards. Hit subscribe, plus bell to ride along on more jaw-dropping global food journeys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next sweet adventure.